What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can recover a previously deleted space on Invideo AI. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to save up on your Invideo AI subscription fees, you can use the link from the description below to create a new account, and using that link you will get 20% discount on your subscription. So first, let's go ahead and delete this workspace so we can recover it. So to delete it, I will just click on my profile icon in the upper right, then I will click Settings, then Manage Account, and then delete the workspace. So once you deleted your workspace, you will see this message right here. So as you can see, you can restore the workspace within the 30-day time frame. So once it's deleted, whenever you try to log in back into your Invideo AI account, you will get this screen right here. So just go ahead and click Manage Workspaces, and here you will be able to see all of your current or deleted workspaces. So to recover this workspace that we just deleted, I will just click Restore right here. Then just confirm and click Restore Workspace. And there we go. So in a couple of moments, our workspace was restored. And essentially, this guys how you can restore a workspace on Invideo AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.